What kind of earthquake waves do we have?
P waves.
P waves, primary, first to arrive. They look like this in the ground. That kind of shape. What other types do we have?
S waves.
S waves, second to arrive. They're slower. They look like this in the ground, or that. Right? Any questions on P and S waves? Okay. Let's put these two together. We're going to have to back up a little bit more. So hold on, let me get this connected first. Make sure it doesn't come apart. There we go. Let's go ahead and back up as far as possible. All right, that's great. We have two different springs here. They represent two different kinds of ground. What we saw in that animation when the fault ruptured was movement through rock and then sandy soil. Right? What happens when the wave goes from one medium into another? Watch here. What did you see? Do it again. What happens when it goes from this dense spring to that lighter one?
It accelerates.
It sped up, didn't it? Travels at a different speed, doesn't it? What also happens? Look right at that intersection. Does it come back to me? I get a reflection, don't I? Right?
Yep.
And so that's what we were looking at in Los Angeles, that reflection coming back. And when it comes back, I do this again at the right frequency, I can match it and keep it going. And I've got resonance. You with me?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Does it stop at like an ocean or something, or like liquid? Is that what it is?
Yeah, so when it goes, maybe the other end there is a mountain, it could reflect back, it could dissipate its energy. The further it goes, the more energy that's dissipated. Yeah.
So a P wave won't go through those other things, the S waves will. So different waves have different properties and move through different substrates.
So they won't go through water, they won't go through air. Send one toward me now. Just give it a little shake. Heart. Just one. Just one. That's it. So what did you see here? One more time. One more time. Slower here. Does it get reflected there back to him? One more time. Yeah, right? So this is how waves behave. If we were looking at earthquake waves, we would see something very similar. Any questions? Awesome, thank you.